I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing metal so the patch bonds. Once you scrape away loose rust and degrease with acetone, sand to bright metal. Mix equal parts resin and hardener on a clean board. You need to scrape edges and fold for 60 to 90 seconds until color is uniform. Make sure to work only the amount you'll apply within its working time. Once mixed, pick up the putty and shape quickly. Don't hesitate, because QuikSteel begins curing fast. Now you apply the QuikSteel directly into the defect. Press firmly so the putty displaces air and reaches seams. Once trapped air remains, adhesion fails. Build the repair in thin passes, 1 to 3 millimeters, allowing a brief skin to form before adding more. This prevents sagging on vertical surfaces. Use a wet finger or plastic spreader to roughly shape. Make sure to overfill slightly for sanding. Because you'll sand to flush, you finish by letting the QuikSteel set until firm, typically 10 to 60 minutes depending on temperature, but wait 24 hours for full strength before heavy loads. Once cured, sand starting with 80 grit to shape, then refine with 220 to 400 grit for paint or polish. If the patch lifts or crumbles, make sure contamination wasn't the cause. Clean back to bare metal, remove all residue, and apply a fresh, properly mixed batch. That fix usually resolves bonding problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.